office table is going downstairs because it's just not, I know the bedroom is to sleep, watch TV maybe, and read some books, not to be working. Have an expiring date. That's what a lot of people don't know. When you purchase a makeup and it has this container here at the back, when you open it, like for this one, it's 12 months. So when you open it, it said 12 months. So after 12 months, actually, you're not allowed to use it anymore on your skin. So excuse the mess in the bedroom. We fixed the lamp. I got this lamp that I wanted to fix in the bedroom. This is the lights. So we fixed the lamp now. It has been fixed, but then I have to clean because the old lamp that was there, it needs some marks, so I have to like close those holes and paint it around just to make it a little bit more nicer. But the light is beautiful. I really love it. Like, it's so nice. I love it. So this is what it looks like right now. And I'm going to this computer, my office table is going downstairs because it's just not, I know the bedroom is to sleep, watch TV maybe, and read some books, not to be working. I've tried it this last few days. I know it's just not working for me. So I'm about to clean around. So the dresser I ordered will be here tomorrow, and then it's going to be fixed. Then I can think of how to get the TV fixed in the wall, and find an option what to do with this TV. But for now, this is what we're looking at. The lamp is fixed. I'm super happy. And then, so now it's time for me to clear this mess. It's a lot of mess here. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm going to clear this mess, and then I am bringing those work table and downstairs. It's not needed. It doesn't look cute. I don't like it in the bedroom. So yeah, that's what your girl is up to. Today I'm busy organizing my makeup. The last time I showed you guys the lamp, I still haven't gotten the chance to paint and refill those marks, but we're coming there little by little because your girl has to work. Your girl has a lot of things doing. But we fixed the TV and the dresser. So this is what this is looking like right now. This is what it's looking like. Excuse the mess. I'm busy organizing my makeup. You know, once in a while I like to go through my makeup and set everything and remove some of the makeup are not good anymore. Makeup do have an expiring date. That's what a lot of people don't know. When you purchase a makeup and it has this container here at the back, when you open it, like for this one, it's 12 months. So when you open it, it said 12 months. So after 12 months, actually, you're not allowed to use it anymore on your skin. Because anything can happen. I have a very sensitive skin. So this is something I do once in a while. I like to go through my makeup and just clear everything. Reasons why I stopped buying makeup. If you are following me on my channel now for a very long time, you guys know for a very long time now I don't come with makeup review because all of this makeup are going. I have a lot of concealers, lip glosses, some eyeshadows that I never really open, like this one. I never really open it and it's still closed. I never really open it. It's just not I just don't like bright colors. I really find the kind of makeup that I like right now. I love like the neutral, the no makeup look, like the soft glam makeup. So a lot of things in my collection that I don't use anymore. I'm just clear everything up. Some setting powder, some baking powder. So I'm just really like clearing my makeup. I organize some of my makeup. These are the ones that I'm really getting rid of. And these are all the makeup I have right now. Not eyeshadows, because I have my eyeshadows there a lot. But this is like my makeup area. So I kind of organize some stuff. And I think in here I have some brand new makeup that I haven't really opened or used. I have my primers here. I'm really trying to like use everything. I'm not really in the process of buying any new makeup right now. I have my highlighters, my liquid highlighters. You guys know I'm obsessed. I even do have backup of liquid highlighters in here. I have the NYX, I have the Maybelline. I'm so obsessed with highlighters. I have my setting powder, and yes, I did pick up some new Too Faced Born This Way concealers. I also want to pick up their foundation because I really want to try the new foundation, but I was like, I have so much foundation, let me just use. So this was actually a gift card that I received for Mother's Day, and I thought, what I didn't want to buy any more perfume anymore because I do have a lot of perfumes. So I thought, let me buy something, and I bought this Too Faced concealers, but I haven't really used it yet, so they're still in the package. So these are just there, and these are like the powders, setting powders I use. I don't really have a lot. I'm really trying to like use this, and then I want to try the L'Oreal something. I don't know, it's like a very popular powder I saw on Douglas, and I really want to try that one. Here I have my setting powder and some extra sponge. Here I have concealers. I'm really trying to use my concealers and really try different brand instead of always trying drugstore brand. I really want to try like high-end concealers and see how they perform. So here I have mostly like drugstore brand. So here I have my foundations. Like your girl has a lot of foundation. That's the reason why I'm like clear everything up. I have my highlighters in here. Blush, I really don't use a lot of blush. Bronzer, and here I have some extras, powders, and I don't really use lip glosses. Here I have all of my lip glosses. I love my Kiko lip glosses and Fenty and NYX. Like, I really love those lip glosses. And here I have my matte lipstick. I have both like nude and colors in here. Here I have lipsticks, you know, like colored lipstick. I barely wear them. And here I have some of my lip liners and everything. So here I have some of the things I use randomly, and I'm also have my makeup brushes which I'm washing at the moment. And here I also pick up, I like to pick up some new makeup brushes to just have it as a backup. So these are like my backup makeup brushes in case I need new ones. So here are just some random accessories that I normally use when I do my makeup or I do people's makeup. So this is what I'm doing. This is what your girl is doing. So the bedroom is quite getting ready. We're there. I'm almost there. Everything is done except I need to organize this, get everything wrapped, and then try my best to paint this ceiling. Trying to best to paint that. I'm not gonna be the one painting that anyway. But yeah, but I need to get one or two things done before we can ever get into that. So that's the thing. So but for now we're done. Everything is really nice. I changed the setting because you know the fridge used to be there, so I brought the fridge here, and I brought the nightstand here. I brought this plants, this not plants but like this fake thing here. I'm thinking of getting rid of this thing because it comes out, it's shed, and I don't know if this is the reason why my nose has been itchy a lot, but I did have it in the other bedroom. I didn't have any problem with it, but I think maybe it's because of the summer and the Hoikos and everything. And here I just have some random stuff. This one is supposed to go in here to differentiate your makeup, but it's not really working, so definitely I'm throwing this away. And here is just, yeah, products, makeup, not a skincare product that I'm about to give a try. And here's some books I pick up, like some of the books. I'm reading this book right now. I really loved it. Some books I pick up. This is a book that I really love, The Blauwe Man. it's a Dutch. It's a story of a bird, and I really love it for the kids. I love reading it for the kids, but they root the front page. But I love the book, so I keep it. It's a really nice, interesting story. I also got this book, the 48 Rules of Power. I really loved it. I have been reading it. I haven't really finished it yet. I loved it. I got this from Beau Pentanel, and I got this book from the second-hand store. I really love to learn more, you know, inquisitive, learn about the human pets and the human body and everything. So I got this one, and these are just there, and inside this box is just random stuff, you know, like like I said, random stuff, and batteries, and the game for the Wii, because the TV downstairs, the new TV downstairs we bought, there's no connection for this Wii. So what we did is we said, okay, we brought this upstairs, and if the kids want to play Wii, which of course they barely play it, but I just fix it in case they want to play it, they can come to the bedroom and play. And of course, so that's why I put the Wii here, and I have the control and extra batteries, and these are just like, yeah, you know, you guys know what this is, just random stuff I put in here. And then so that's what in there, and then I put my books on top. I just love the setting here, like just hide everything. I really don't like when everything is just lying down and exposed. I really like when everything is well organized and covered, you know, covered correctly, properly. So I'm just putting this thing here because these are stuff that I want to use very soon, so that's why we put them here. So this is what everything is looking like. I got my candles, I got my snake plants. So yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. And this is my wish board where I do write things that I want to achieve. Those are my kids, my family. So yeah, this is it. This is what your girl is up to. I just want to come and give you guys a quick update. And the bedroom is looking the way it's looking because your girl is busy packing. And yeah, I also got some stuff, some yogurts stuff for the fridge upstairs. The reason why I put some of the yogurts upstairs, because those kids of mine, when they see food in the fridge downstairs, there's something, I don't know what they have to finish it immediately, or else they will not be happy. So when I purchase the stuff that I personally likes, I like to bring them and put it in here. At least nobody comes into this room and open my fridge. The kids, they don't do they don't do that. But downstairs, I have no control. Downstairs, Mama, can I have this? They will wait when you are busy, when you're on the phone, you are doing something. That's when they will come for you. Mama, can I have this? Mama, can I have this? Mama, can I have this? So yeah, I thought to prevent me from stressing, from shouting, from going through any craziness, let me just put my stuff that I know I really, really like, that if anybody eats it, it will piss me off. Let me just put them in here. So that's what is in there. So this is everything. This is what the bedroom is looking like when I'm really, really done. And that is painted. Everything is done. I will come and show you guys, like, you know, give you a bedroom tour. But for now, you guys have seen the bedroom. We're getting stuff little by little. So now let me go. Your girl is just trying to organize everything. This is me. Amifullest, yes. You guys are saying it on this vlog. I did cut my hair again. I know. I always cut my hair. But anyway, this is what I'm dealing with. And I just want to come and give you guys a quick update. Hope you all like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. This is what my skincare stuff look like. This is my mic. When I do voiceover, I use this. And yeah, this is everything, you know. I have random stuff here. I think here I have eyeshadows, like a lot of eyeshadows. This drawer is full of eyeshadows, and here is some makeup brushes, some extra sponge, just random stuff in there. So yeah, but once in a while, it's very important for you to clean your makeup and get rid of the ones that are expired. And these are like some of my hair stuff. I purchased this hair oil from AliExpress and this glue. So when you use this glue on your hair to put your lace front, the lace front lasts for a week. And when you want to remove it, you have to use this glue, this oil, to remove the lace so that your hair line doesn't break. So you guys can see I have a lot of it. So I purchased that from AliExpress, and some caps that I use, some hair stuff randomly. So those ones are going to stay in here. And the remaining one, oh, my camera stuff. The remaining one, I'm just going to leave them. So for example, these brushes, I'm also thinking I'm not really going to be needing those brushes right now at the moment, because I do have some new brushes. So I'm thinking put those brushes in here. Let's keep it in here. And so this is going outside. This is not going to stay in this bedroom. I always like to put these things on top of my stuff. So yeah, this is it. And I'll see you all in my next video. The room is a little bit messy right now. That's because your girl is trying to organize some stuff. And yeah, Team Fullest. Bye. See you all on my next vlog.